All right, got them. I'm gonna do an unboxing here. The AirPods Pro. I took my iPad with me, glasses, and Mini is dirty again. Needs some love. Same old thing. I really need to get a cover for it, I think. If it's gonna be living by the beach, the salt's not so good for it. Beautiful California day. All right, got some juice in the Mini. Actually, it's like nut milk. Pretty delicious, this one. Let's see. Almonds, alkaline water, dates, honey. Stuff. All right, now I'm gonna head to get this thing washed and to the Apple Store. Looking better. Let's head to the Apple Store. We are gonna get a spot right up front. It's a good thing I'm videoing, I think. We're living right. Oh, are they waiting for that spot? They're waiting for it. I'll give it to them. It would have been awesome for the video, but they're waiting for it. Boom, Apple Store. Let's see if they have some AirPods. Online it said they have some. Parking lot's crowded. Gotta wait for this guy pulling out. This little spot, lots of spots though. Oh, not a spot, motorcycle. Second spot, real spot. Whew. Alright, got him, did the little demo, and I was really impressed. The sound canceling were good, sound quality was good, so it will definitely be a lot better than the old school headphones with the adapter. Case looks nice and simple too, be easy in my bag. Let's test them out, see how they work. Alright, got them. I'm gonna do an unboxing here. The AirPods Pro. Just got back from the Apple Store. They gave me a little demo. They had a sample pair that I was able to try, and I was really impressed with them. So let's open them up. This one-handed. I'm filming on the iPhone 11 Pro. I love my MacBook Pro that I work on, and my iPad Pro. So finally getting the AirPods Pro. I will tell you this, I fought the AirPods a long time. I like the cable, the plug-in. I'm skeptical whether they can sound as good wirelessly as they do with the hardwired connection. But I'm sick of the adapters when I go from, computer. This has just the headphones mount. This is USB-C, and then on my iPhone, it's just the lightning connector. Let's get these out. Signed by Apple, California. What else is in here? Good, another cable. Can't have too many of those. So this is USB-C, which is nice to see because that's what's on my MacBook. Let's get rid of that garbage. There you go, that open. I wonder what size they have on them. Alright, let's see if they fit. I also bought them. I want to test how they do with video. I want to shoot some video and see how they work as a microphone. Okay, they're in. So I fought the AirPods for a long time, the wireless headphones. It's basically just like the Bluetooth earpieces back in the day. Some people still rock those. If you're into that look, cool. I was never into that. Never into this look, frankly. But I want the convenience of being able to connect to multiple devices. They're not connected yet. They sounded good in the Apple Store. We'll see how they sound on my flight back to Arizona, so that'll be a good test, and I'll shoot some video and see how they record, but I'm gonna get them connected and plugged in. Alright, so I got them hooked up, and I like them so far. I feel more like a cyborg. I can ask Siri to do things, and she can turn the volume up, turn the volume down, check my email, check my calendar, things like that, so that's pretty cool. I'll show you some of the packaging too. Turn on Bluetooth. I turned that part on my phone. I figured that part out. And then next step, the way you connect is you just place them, you open the case near the unlocked iPhone. And then the prompt came up on my phone to connect, and just pressed the button and it connected. After it connected, it gave a little tutorial how to turn it on, how to turn it off, how to skip songs, how to turn on the noise canceling, which it's really nice. Even just sitting here with my window open, it cancels out all of the street noise. So you can't hear people talking as they walk by and the cars drive by as much, so it's pretty cool. I'm gonna work the rest of the afternoon. I'm gonna plug in to my computer and get some tasks done, and probably turn on maybe just the noise canceling for silence or listen to some music. Then I'll go shoot some more video later. Question, 10 reasons why people delay escape plan. Number 1, look how beautiful this is. Life is happening. That's the first reason. Alright, time to head out. It's been a good trip. Got my bags packed, and my Uber requested. Waiting to go to the airport. So 2:40 flight, and it's I should arrive to the airport by 2. So looks like I got plenty of time, and time to make some calls and work in the Uber, airport, airplane. So that's how I'm finishing this week, this Friday. I like working on the go though. I like having the change of scenery and mixing it up. So. Okay, it's back in Phoenix. Packed here. Nice out. Lots of people here waiting for Ubers. Good to be back home. Alright, there goes my Uber. beautiful Tempe sunset. You can see it's all pink this direction. Clouds. Good to be back home. Alright, so this is it. This is the end of the vlog and the conclusion of the review on the AirPod Pro. Conclusion is they're great headphones. If you're thinking about picking some up for yourself or as a gift for someone, I would really recommend them. Noise canceling was a total game changer. From working at home with the window open, canceled out the street noise. I had a fan on and it canceled that noise out as well. So it gives new meaning to the phrase wired in. I felt more like a cyborg, felt more connected to my devices, which is great. One complaint, they could be louder, but that's usually my complaint with all headphones. So still liked them, so definitely recommend them. So that's it for this vlog. Thanks for tuning in. Leave your comments below, subscribe. I'm trying to get 100 subscribers so that way I can get the custom address. So make sure you subscribe and leave a comment if you want to see something else. If you want to see the content I shot for my law firm, check out the link for the Dana & Associates page. That'll be somewhere there, I don't know, in the link or down below, but check that out if you want to see that content. Alright, now to get some work done, now that I shot that video, which is just fun. Now I almost feel like cranking down my desk to sit down, but I'm going to stand up, write a few more things. Again, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe, comment, leave a thumbs up.